Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday. It's almost end of the month. Thursday, June the 29th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with a 1 star. Then we have a Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, Sudoku with 3 stars. Oh, not 1 star, 3 stars, but it has 28 printed digits. Wow. Maybe a misprint, I do not know. Mostly the time puzzles with Sudokus with 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 28. Well, we will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, this will be number 6673. Right, for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, for a 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more. For 2 stars 15 to 20 minutes. For 1 star faster than 50 minutes. Well, this one is indicated with 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes, but it has 28 printed digits, not 25. It's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for this one, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I start? Let me see. Alright, how about a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, no need to place level. The 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, how about an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, no need to place level, the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down need to place level, the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about the number 4 7. Well, 7. Come on. Need a 9 here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6. Alright. 5. Need a 5. Need a 3. Need a 4 here also. 4 and a 3, 4. And a 5. Interesting. 1. 2. 2. Come on. 2. 3. Yeah. Where's the opening. Here is the opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 1, 1. 1. 1. Come on. 2 and 4. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2, 2. 4, 4, 4. I'm thinking. 4, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, 6, 6. 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the first column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 6 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Alright, then need a 5. Well, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 2, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 8. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 and 8. 9, 9. 4, 3, and 5. And 6, 4, 3, and 9. 4, 4. 4, 4. I'm thinking. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Alright. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. I need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 7, 7, 1, 2, 7. Okay. 6 and a 9. Overlook the 6. We have already a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in third column, so the column between the second column, now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. On there, we see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. So, need a 5 here, need a 5 there, need a 5 here. Alright. 2, 8, 1, need a 1 here. Need a 2, 8, and need a 3 there. 1, 1. Need a 2, 1, 2. And I need a... Yeah. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 9 and 6. Alright. So, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this second row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the middle column could be here, or there. Here, or there. You see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6. Okay. 7, 4, and the 6. 6. Yeah. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. 1, 2. And I need a... I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. Before the 9s, no. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 7 and a 4. Yeah, 2 missing. No. 7 and a 4. Overlook this 4. We already have a 4 here in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Well. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Alright. 1, 2, need a 3, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5. 7, 5. Ay. 5 5 3 3 5 7. Need a 7 here. 3 7 and a 1. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Yeah. 3, need a 3 here, 3, 4, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 5 7 3 5 7 3 5 7 3 5 7, and look, we have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Sorry, 7 and a 9. We already have an 8 here. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Wow. 20 to 30 minutes for 3 stars. Well, we solve it in 90 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. But if it's indicated with 3 stars, but should be easier than the 1 star. It has 28 printed digits, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.